gerade abgeschossen.
So, it's Friday afternoon, 5 o'clock, and we are going up to the mountain to see the wonderful and beautiful Vierwaldstättersee.
We came up by kind of a train. Now we're hiking up to Hauserstock, which is right next to Fronalpstock and Klingenstock, I think. Behind there, behind the mountain, is Vierwaldstättersee, and we hope to get some nice views for the sunset, also for the sunrise. We have our sleeping bags and food, 2 drones, and a lot of water because it's very hot today. It's a nice hike up, and yeah. Sun seems to go down pretty fast now. It's not that warm up here, but still warm enough to hike in shorts and only a shirt.
Yoo-hoo.
So there's a path to Klingenstock right there, and we can see from Fronalpstock now, but it's behind this hill.
Yeah.
That right there could be a shot.
Surf
So
on those lakes?
down there, that's not fits now, or is it? Is it?
Mm.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah.
Sure.
You sure?
Yes.
Ah.
No. It is.
Is it? I think it's gonna be a challenge to find some flat spots to sleep on. Gregory, what do you think?
This is nice.
Right here.
No, dumber.
Yeah.
Down there was a flat part.
Yeah, but we don't want to sleep down there, do we?
I think over the hill there is.
Gregory still got some scars left from his big crash.
Yeah.
Maybe gonna. Oi guys!
Oi mate!
Hey, okay. Ah, well, there is a Vierwaldstättersee.
We might have found a place to sleep right down there. It's a flat spot, and we think we can have a nice rest over the night. And it's not that far, like if we had to hike over all the way to Fronalpstock. So we're packing up our stuff because sun's going down behind
So nice here.
Fronalpstock. down there, and from here we can't quite see the sunset. So yeah, we're gonna move over to Vierwaldstättersee, and then yeah, we'll see. So we went over to Vierwaldstättersee in the hope that there would be a better view of the sunset, and turned out that sunset wasn't that good. It's kind of foggy, and yeah, and the sun didn't shine through, so we hope for better conditions next morning for the sunrise. I think you're gonna sleep right on this little hill, and then in the morning maybe we're gonna walk back to the mountain we were before, or we might go down right there to this hill. Yeah, so we have to see in the morning, and then we'll decide whether we go back or down there. But for now, I think we're gonna enjoy the sunset and have some food, maybe even take some pictures, because it's also nice like this. So we woke up at about 5 a.m. and now, because we slept near a hut, we have to hike down to get to a spot where nobody else is and where I can fly the drone without disturbing any other people. So yeah, it's not that far. Sun's already up. although it's not a perfect sunrise, not perfect conditions. It's still beautiful.
Fuck, you see.
Fuck.
Is die gerade abgeschossen? Dort hinten ist sie besungen.
Fuck, bro. Almost lost my drone. I was flying from up there down behind this hill, and then I lost connection. But it must have saved itself. I was pretty lucky there. I knew it would turn back if it loses connection, but I thought it would be quicker. Finally it got back, but now we can enjoy the morning and have some food, take some more pictures, and then see what the day brings. So we are on our way back down, and we want to take a break by a very nice picnic spot where we should have a nice view. We are at the spot. Nadine, what do you think?
What? I'm just thinking how beautiful Switzerland is.
Down there you can see city of Brunnen and city of Schwyz. We came from up there, all around this hill. So we left the spot and move on to the lake down in the valley. We are on our way to the train station and heading back to the car. We're back at the parking lot, and hopefully we took some nice shots, and yeah, we had a great time. We hope you liked the video, and we hope to see you again on the next adventure, maybe on some mountains with sleeping bags.
I'm very looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Bye.